I think participating in the voluntary testing is important because you could be a carrier and you wouldn't even know it, and you would be spreading it to others. The voluntary testing is also very important because it helps keep our community safe, and it's just a good way to get involved and be a cardinal. When you get your voluntary test, the case managers are the only ones who are able to see your file, and even when trying to track down the COVID cases, all of your information will be confidential, and so you won't have to worry about others finding out that you have COVID or anyone finding out any of your information. Well, when I got tested, I don't really have a high pain tolerance, and I didn't actually feel any pain, so that's really good. And it was just a slight discomfort in the upper part of my nose, and it felt kind of like tickly, and I started to like tear up and sneeze a little bit, but that was it. The test only took about 5 minutes to get the procedure done from the time I got there to the time I left, and it was only in my nose for about 2 to 3 seconds. Don't be afraid about having a positive result. I think that if you do have a positive result, it's good that we caught it and that you don't continue to be spreading COVID to other people without knowing it. You could have COVID-19 and not even know it because you could have no symptoms or just have mild symptoms, and there are plenty of carriers out there just like that, and it's really important, and it's really dangerous to have those cases. And as an added bonus for participating in the voluntary testing, participants get a Starbucks gift card. I got a strawberry refresher.